Hello, so today we are going to create this Argentina makeup look. I tried it something from this photo, but even though it's not completely look like that because I tried something different from the photo. Anyways, I'll firstly apply moisturizer. It's from Pond's, and I'm skipping the primer part because I'm not going anything. Going outside. Now I'm using a stroke cream from Blue Heaven. Now I'm using a foundation, the mix of Mars and Blue Heaven. And yeah, I applied everywhere, every part of my face, blending with the beauty puff. Now I'm concealing my high point of my faces. As you can see, under eyes, nose, and contouring the area of contouring, forehead, side of my lips, wherever I want. I am blending it with the beauty puff. Take much time. Anyways, girlies, do subscribe my channel if you do love my videos, like my videos, and yeah, comment your thoughts. Anyways, next I'm using blush, side of my cheeks, nose, and my chin. Blending with beauty puff. Next I'm contouring my face with a powder contour. Using a dark brown to contour my nose. Using a little bit of contour on the braids of my nose. Next I'm using a concealer. I'm using a blue color, right? I want to that color to pop up even more, and blending the concealer. Using a kajal to fill my eyebrows. Today I'm not using any powder, eyebrow palette. That's why I need more darker my eyebrows. That is the reason why I'm using a kajal. Combing my eyebrows. Now I'm contouring my lips with a light brown eyeshadow because I need a Korean or Chinese, whatever that kind of lips. That's why I am contouring my lips. I just found out this technique from a YouTuber. Next I'm using a Vaseline. If you want, you can use lip balm. And firstly I'm using a light pink shade, light or a blossom shade. Next a red lipstick, and then a nude orange and a brown. I just forgot to shoot the brown part. Anyways, this is how my lips look like right now. For eyeshadow, I'm using a light blue for the corner, and the side of the other corner, I'm using a dark or light of dark shimmer shade eyeshadow, and blending with like this. I am also using it under of my eyes. Now a golden shade eyeshadow. This is what I told you, that under eyes, eyeshadow applying on under eyes, white and blue. Now lining my eyes. I thought firstly normally do a eye look, but now I just messed up with the eyes, so I thought I should do something creatively. That is why I'm using a white eyeshadow inside of the lining eye too, and a little bit of golden on the corner, and redraw the line, highlighting my eyes corner with a light highlighter. I'm doing it the same for the other eyes. Curling my two lashes and using mascara like the Blue Heaven and a non-branded, I mean no-name brand from Misho, something I got it from a cheap rate. Anyways, I'm applying mascara on my two lashes. Now highlighting my high point of my faces like nose, cheeks, and the under my eyebrows, chin, everywhere, wherever I want. Okay, blending with the fluffy brush. And yeah, ladies, that is all for today. If you do like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and give me the responses if you do like it or not. Anyways, thank you for watching.